Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide yourself, how to hide your IP address on the internet by using proxy chain and Tor on our Kali Linux. I have already shown shown you how to install Kali Linux and VirtualBox on Windows 11. So I'm going to put the link from those video in the description of this one. So first of all, we are going to install Tor on our Kali Linux. Let me zoom. Okay. So now I'm going to sudo apt install install Tor. I'm going to enter my password. So here I have already installed Tor. So here is just to show you how to do. Okay, okay, it's already installed. Now I install my proxy chain. Sudo apt install proxy chain. Okay, I install proxy chain is also already installed. So just to show you. Okay, okay, now it is installed. So now I'm going to start the Tor browser. Sudo service service store Tor start. Okay, okay, wait a few minutes. My connection is not good, please. So few minutes. Okay, the Tor service is start now. Let let's see if it is active. Tor statue. Okay, statue. Okay, okay. As you can see, it is active. So we start it successfully now. Control C. Now you are going to enter the file sudo using nano. Okay, the ProxyChain.conf file. It is the most important part of the video. So here you go down and you uncomment the dynamic chain. You uncomment it like this. You go down, you comment the script chain. You comment here. Okay, and you go down here. Has wait. Here you have to make sure that it is uncommented. The proxy GNS, as you can see, it is uncommented. Okay, so here down you are not going to use the sock for because it is very old. We are going to use the sock 5. Okay, okay, sock 5. Enter the address. Enter the address. Okay, 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 okay. So now we enter it. To save it, just click on Ctrl O. Okay, click enter like this and click Ctrl X. Okay, it is successful. Now, if we want to see if we are going to use our proxy, just type proxy chain, maybe Firefox. You are going to use the Firefox browser, okay, to see our new IP address. Okay, the connection is very poor, so let's wait a few minutes. Okay, okay. Now we go to the site GNS GNS leak leak test dot com. GNS leak test dot com. We are going to see my new our new IP address from our proxy. Okay, the connection is very poor. Okay, as you can see here, as you can see, here is our new IP address from the proxy. The IP, this IP address is from Luxembourg. Okay, as you can see, here is how you can add yourself on on the internet. When you are using Kali, maybe you want to type the nmap command or another command, you can use the proxy chain before the command, and it will hide your IP address. So please, if you like the video, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.